Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 104. And today's topic is what is Terraform diagram in Airline Studio. So, in Airline Studio, a Terraform diagram helps you visually represent infrastructure defined using Terraform. Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool that always allows you to define cloud resources like servers, network, database, and security components. With Terraform diagrams, you can convert that infrastructure into clear visual representation showing how different resources are connected and deployed. This makes it easier to understand, plan, and explain infrastructure steps without going through complex code. So basically, a Terraform diagram in Airline Studio helps you to turn your infrastructure as code into a clear and structured visual diagram. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.